The tastiest, high-protein, creamy garlic Alfredo steak and mashed potatoes. Only 570 calories, bursting with so much flavor, easy to make and perfect to meal prep for the week ahead. Slice your steaks into cubes, season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, parsley, and olive oil. Mix till well coated, then slice your potatoes into thick chunks like this. Drop in a pot of cold water, then boil for 12 to 14 minutes until fork tender, just like this. Let the potatoes steam for 5 minutes before gently then add light butter, cream cheese, warm milk, and season with salt, pepper, and garlic. Then give this a final mix till creamy, soft, and fluffy, just like this. Next, cook your steak bites in light butter side till golden brown and crispy. Lower the heat, add more butter, fresh garlic, chili flakes, and parsley. Mix till juicy and delicious, then set the beef aside. In the same pan, add smoked paprika, chili flakes, salt, mustard, lots of garlic, and parsley. Mix and cook for 5 minutes till fragrant before adding blended cottage cheese and milk. Stir till completely smooth and creamy. Finally, your high-protein meals are ready. If you're looking for delicious high-protein meals to lose weight, these Bang Bang chicken rice balls are incredibly delicious, only 590 calories, so easy and perfect for meal prep. Slice your chicken thighs into cubes, season with salt, black pepper, garlic and onion powder, smoked paprika, ginger powder, and olive oil. Mix till the color changes. Then, for the Bang Bang sauce, you need light mayo, fat-free yogurt, sweet chili sauce, sriracha, rice vinegar, and fresh parsley. Mix till smooth. Then, lay down your chicken thighs, thin layer of the Bang Bang sauce. Then oven bake or air fry for 25 minutes till golden and crispy, just like this. Add a final coating of the sweet and delicious. Then add butter to a pan with chopped garlic and onion. Cook for 5 minutes till soft before adding this extra seasoning with shredded coconut. Mix till fragrant, then add leftover cooked rice with lemon zest and lemon juice. Then give it a final mix until perfectly fluffy, just like this. Finally, serve with the Bang Bang chicken and your high-protein meal. If you're looking for delicious, high-protein and low-calorie meals to lose weight, these orange chicken rice balls are incredibly delicious, only 540 calories, and so easy to meal prep for the week. Slice your chicken thighs into cubes, season with black pepper, garlic and ginger paste, red chili flakes, honey, sriracha, fresh orange juice and zest, and soy sauce. If the color doesn't change, it's not well seasoned. Next, add light butter on medium heat and toast your sesame seeds until slightly golden and crisp. Then add minced garlic and cook for 2 minutes until fragrant before adding salt and leftover cooked rice. And well combined, then add chopped green onions and sesame seeds. Mix well, then slice all your veggies, then add rice vinegar, red pepper flakes, and a drizzle of honey. Give this a good mix, then lay down and oven bake or air fry for 20 minutes until golden and juicy, just like this. Finally, serve with the rice, the cucumber salad, and your high-protein meal.